$768,000 in window replacement jobs in the last 18 months of partnering up with one of our window and door installation clients. And in this video, I'm going to break down the exact strategy that we use to run these profitable ad campaigns. Now, the biggest lever and the most important thing is going to be the offer and the ad creatives. And these two are truly what we have control over, because the heavy lifting in terms of showing the ads to the right people is going to be done by Meta's algorithm. So all we have control over is going to be the offer and ad creatives. Now, we like to use a price first strategy, means we're going to have some sort of a pricing in the ads, because this is going to pre-qualify the leads in terms of the budget, and you're going to be dealing with better prospects. Next thing about the ad creatives is that we don't want to make the ads look too corporate, because on social media, people are there to socialize. They're not there to see ads. So if they see anything that looks like an ad, they're just going to scroll past it immediately. So we want to come up with ad creatives that blend with the platform and just not look too corporate. So we have examples here. We use a lot of AI to come up with some of these ad creatives, and we're running different offers. So 5 windows, $4,400, 10 windows, $8,500, or replace all your windows as low as $47 a month. And the offer stack here is free propane upgrade, 25% off entire order, lifetime warranty, factory direct prices, installation done in a day, free in-home estimates. Now for Facebook ads targeting is that we can target by zip code, city, and radius. For age, we go after 34 to 65 plus, because these are going to be mostly homeowners. Male and female. And for placement is, which means where we want to show the ads to people, is going to be on Facebook, Instagram, on feeds and reel tabs only. And we're going to be running them on mobile devices only, because over 80% of the traffic comes through mobile devices these days. So we don't even bother with desktop. Now, once prospects see the ads, they're going to tap get quote, where we take them through our pre-qualification questions, basically. So the first question would be, how many windows do you need replaced? Next, any doors? Third question is, how soon you're looking to start this project? Now, we got logic on the back end of these forms. So if somebody selects not ready, still planning, budgeting, we just disqualify them, because they're going to be, time wasters. Our clients just wants to deal with people who are ready to move forward within the next 90 days. And right after that, we're going to ask for full name, phone number, and city. And the last most important step is going to be the SMS verification, which is going to ensure that the leads have given us their correct phone number, and this is going to ensure they're more serious. And this is what it looks like when the leads are delivered. So once they hit submit, leads are going to be delivered to our end clients instantly via SMS and email, where they can call and book that in-home estimate. Now here's just a breakdown of some numbers. So $768,000 in revenue. Initially, we generated 711 leads, $5.6 million in leads opportunity value. So 711 leads, their close rate is 45% from leads to booked appointments. That's 320 appointments booked. Their close rate is roughly 30%, which is 96 jobs. At an average job of $8,000, which would put them at $768,000 in revenue. And that's a 12x return on ad spend. And their CAC is $667. And that's about it for this video. Now, if you own a window and door installation business or home improvement company, and you're looking to consistently get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow your business, then I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me. We'll go over a quick 15-minute phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and see if this makes sense for your business. That's about it. Thanks for watching.